In this lesson, we're going to cover how you are creating your first membership or first course within ACR. The first thing you need to do is go to membership. And once you come into here, you are going to be able to come into the section where it says product, offer, and settings and analytics. We are going to walk through the differences between what a product is as well as what's within a category. So first of all, you want to go into a product. And once you come into a product, this will allow you to create a new product or a new course you want to have. As you can see here, this is my ACR account. You have got various different products I've created for different modules of learning, and I can have as many courses, as many products I can possibly have. I will explain to you a bit more about the difference between a product and an offer. Offer is where you can package everything together, whereas product is an individual item that you are going to be offering as a course for your client. So what we're going to do right now is create our first product. Now, if you have been using Kajabi, you're more than able to import that product or course straight from Kajabi into the ACR platform by the direct import. We're going to create that from scratch. And in here, they'll give you some structure of how you can do a marathon course, a membership. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to build our custom own, and I'm going to call this one a demo course. Okay, once I've done that, you'll see in this particular section here, it will come up with various different items on the top here. And now I've got ability to show you how you can build a structure or a product structure. When you do a drop down, you'll see that it's got options of showing you what a category would be, and you can see up here this is a category, and underneath that it's got the lessons. So every category will have the ability to post lessons underneath that category. So if you want to have various different categories within your course, this is the important part for you to distinguish what you want that to look like. So let's say, for example, I want to have a category here. This is going to be my welcome video. So within my welcome on board, I may have 3 lessons underneath the category. So what I will do here, I'll call welcome board, and I can add my description in here. I'm not going to go into much detail. You can do all that in your own time. And I'm going to set this as a root category, which means that's the top of the level type category we're creating here. And then underneath that, you've got the contents. This is what's underneath each of the categories. For example, I can have lessons underneath that, and this is where you're able to go into here, and I can change this information and change the titles and all the things I want to do in this particular space here. So I think I just made a mistake here. Let's go back to the demo course, and we're going to go to the blank category, and I'm going to update this to welcome on board again, and make sure I press save. Okay, I'm just going to copy that and put this in descriptions, and I'm going to publish this on the top right hand corner here. And as you can see on the right hand side, I've got the ability to lock it. I can have the draft, I can have a drip. So these are different options for you to optimize your course delivery. It's only going to be seen by the clients when they can see it in publish. If it's in draft, they're not going to be able to see that at the moment. And down the right hand side here, you'll be able to see the ability to update your contents in here. You can see the thumbnails you can create, and you can definitely do that but very easily by just going straight into Canva and download this particular content. So you can see how I have itemized these into 1280 by 720 because this is going to be something I add this particular size into that particular section of the course. And once I'm happy with the product structure or the category structure, and I may want to create a second category. So what I'll end up doing in this particular space here, I will go to the product structure, and I'm going to create a second category. This may be my week 1 or week 2 content. So week 1, then I'm going to create the week 1 content. You can see now I've got welcome aboard week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. That is the difference between a category and your lesson. So lessons are usually within the category, and your category is usually the layer of topics that you may want to create for your course that people can see and systematically see that in a course structure. To see how you may want this to look, I'm going to show you in the preview what that may look like when you got different categories and different products and different subcategories. Let's go to your next lesson, and we're going to look at how you're going to structure your first product and your first course, and how you can start customizing that particular product in your business.